So we're here in Sweden, in Anderstorp, kind of in the middle of nowhere. Scandinavian Raceway. Formula 1 races here from 1973 until 78. And today something very special is happening. I have never been in a race suit, let alone driven a single-seater. So thank you, Nick, for lending me all the gear. Cedric behind the camera and I have both just done 15 minutes of the Renault. Went well. Too well. We got too comfortable and pushed it, and both span.
Not anxious until...
I'm anxious as
until they were like, it's your turn.
This chicane's
Yeah, it is, to be honest.
Here, tu touches rien.
No.
Touches rien jusqu'à ici, quoi. Just holding it.
Yeah, regular throttle right now. You aim for the cones there, so you're
Okay.
still on the throttle here normal, and gradually go up, go up, go up, and now full on. Flat out.
Flash out. Oh, balls. Whew.
Let it stay in second gear until you pass
The yellow
last,
cone. Okay.
Yeah, the last
And then
yellow cone.
flat out. Okay.
Look out for the wall.
This is the tricky one.
It's a long.
The trick here is that you have to stay on the right. You don't exit the turn there. You stay here because you have an immediate left turn.
Come on, guys.
This is normally a air sprint.
I'm so stressed.
You understand like the power of it.
Back.
Yeah, exactly. Like you take the chicane easy. Did he say you could take this off? Oh shit.
I couldn't see anything because I forgot to take the inner protection film out, which meant I had 50% visibility for the whole day.
It's raining down at the end of the straight. It's slippery. Take it easy.
Don't be that guy. That's fine, I'm not gonna spin there.
From here straight to the yellow. No, here you can go full on, flat out.
Yeah. Got a bit slippy now.
Yes, you see it's raining.
Because of the rain, yeah.
So take the speed down a little bit.
Yeah.
I start you,
Okay.
but take the speed down a little bit.
Okay. Porra, tá chovendo! Tá chovendo!
It's gone.
Yeah. Too quick. Yeah. Both of us.
Yeah, both. We just said 1 to 1.
To be fair, it was rainy in my session though, not Cedric's. Next step is to drive the 2007 Williams Formula 1 car a couple of laps. We seem to have found a loophole in the system that allows us to do this, so we still can't believe that we're doing this. To be able to drive a Formula 1 car is a dream, but I always thought it was an unreachable dream because growing up, Dad would take me to races. When I started being like, how does this work? He's like, don't even think about it, it's too expensive. So it's like, you know, I love to go to space, but you know that maybe in a different life you could have been an astronaut, same thing. Maybe in a different life I would have driven a Formula 1 car. But in a couple of minutes, that's actually gonna happen. We're gonna drive a few laps in a Formula 1 car. And the fun fact is, growing up, the team that we were closest to, the family and the team, the place that we would hang out for lunch when I was a baby, was always Williams. So the fact that it's in a Williams is pretty special for me. I've brought my dad along. He hates being on camera. I hope you're hearing me. Formula 1, couple of laps. Hopefully it goes well. All right, see you later.
This steering wheel has a price of around 200,000 Swedish crowns. Don't do as we see some Formula 1 drivers take the steering wheel and throw it away. Johan, he has set the position of the buttons. Don't touch them, please. When you're on the straight, it's here that you should feel the power of these cars. Up, accelerate, come to the brake point, brake hard. Oh, and you'll love it. Don't overdrive it, please. Okay? Cut the horns a little down. But she'll go out here and have fun. Mr. Boutsen, you might agree that there's a limit on these cars, and we as amateurs don't know where the limit is.
Exactly, and it's very important to build up the speed, not to go fast too soon. If you go too fast too soon, you will end up in the barrier. So you go slow and build up slowly your confidence and your understanding of the car. You don't need to break to the lap record here. Maybe the next time, not today, so build up slowly and you will enjoy everything. If you go too fast too soon, you will hate it. And the car will hate you.
It's 360 anyway, doesn't matter. Why are we doing this again?
So into this, bro?
I'm waiting for it. It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Long build up.
Yeah, exactly.
Boom, 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 boom. Very stressed. My heart rate is up and I'm nervous. I just don't want to up. Bring the car home in one piece.
You feel more comfortable after the 4 already?
I did, and then we waited for 3 hours, so that went out the window now. And I feel like I forgot what the track looks like. I know it's always been Nick's dream to drive Formula 1, but I'm doing it first.
Oh! Guess who's here? Nice and tight. Yeah.
This is it. 28 years later, I have a picture getting into a Williams and now wearing it.
Lucas? Yeah? You're a sensible person. Continue with that. Okay? Okay. Down the straight, accelerate, brake, feel it, take it easy in the corners.
Okay.
Because the tires are not optimal in temperature and we don't know where the limit is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you. you know.
Was it good?
Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
You drove like a god.
Huh? Thank you. I took it easy.
Yes.
I didn't want to. It's worse to up then. Woo!
But you did it good.
Mamma mia.
Yo, buddy.
Sick.
Hey, bud. Hey there, bud.
She's ready for you. I didn't spin her. She's intact.
How do you feel?
Man, incredible. What the f*** I'm saying. I see what you mean now.
I will.
It's your turn now.
I promise. I'm coming. Undescribable. Oh, whoa. Jesus Christ.
It's like, and I saw him pushing it a bit. Not pushing, but like more than before. I'm like, Lucas, like, can you spin now? You look at me. Like, just don't do it. Like, it's okay. Stick it up and straight. Still 1-1. Still 1-1.
How was it?
Good. Amazing. Incredible. Wow. This Rick camera snapped off his car when he was driving the Formula Renault. Actually, is it in pieces? Holy!
I'm gonna show him the picture.
Oh my God! Did you see the lens?
Over 150.
Was it on the ground?